Hi guys.
World sucks. You got better you want. Why would you wanna be with me? I'm nothing special.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley. I'll go poop. I'm going to a drive-in movie soon with my sister and her friends, so I have to get ready. So I thought, like that, no teeth in the comb. Thought I'd make a short little random get ready with me video because I've never done one, and you know, I like to talk to y'all so we can talk. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. Yeah, I ate more blueberries in like the same spot as my thrifting haul I posted not too long ago. Oh god, my hair's so puffy. My sister's in the bathroom and I need water for my hair. The thing is, I actually have curly hair. Believe it or not. What we're gonna do with my hair and my makeup later, I'm gonna pick out the outfit. I already have the outfit envisioned in my head. Duh, that's just how I work. Yeah, I'm wearing this $4 dress that I thrifted. I think if I should wear a white shirt under it. What do you guys think? I need to go pay for my white shirt now. Give me a moment. So look kind of cool under it. Hold on, let me see. God, wait, this is kind of cute. Wait, I like this. The top is so spoiling me. I need my sister to get out of the bathroom. Oh my god, I need to brush my hair. I can only find one of these socks, so only one right now. I'm gonna do this with my docs. I'm trying to find my other pink scrunchie right now, but I don't know where it is. Don't forget your deodorant either when getting ready. So what's up? What's poppin'? I'm Riley, putting on some deodorant. I try not to wear that much makeup. Honestly, I really need the makeup. Oh my god, I almost started putting on my concealer. I use Glossier primer. I'm going to see Shrek tonight with my sister and her friends. Yeah, Shrek was sold out last night, sadly, so we had to buy tickets last night for tonight. Who knew Shrek would sell out? You guys think Shrek would sell out? I guess Shrek's poppin'. Live, love, Shrek. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Oh, of course I'm right. Duh, what else would I be? Left? Okay. Saw Dirty Dancing the other night there. And Evil Dead. I'm gonna do my makeup in this camera lens because the mirror is too far and I'm too blind and I can't see that far. I put on a lot of like weight in my face, but like I'm okay with it. I kind of like it. It's like a new look to work, you know? Am I right? I've been so addicted to coffee too. I don't even know. I don't know what to talk about. Oh my god. Oh, she's out of the bathroom. Nice. Well, let's tell some funny childhood stories. Okay. When I was little, my grandfather, this one's not really funny, this one's a little scary. My grandfather, they just got their kitchen floors. And let me just tell you that one, they just got them done and he put me in my high chair and went to go do yard work. He just like left me there to go in the yard and do some yard work. Let me just tell you that that man did not strap me in that seat. And I went kaboom kablamo on the new floor, like this giant baseball size bump on my head. I had to go to a hospital right away. Where's my highlighter? I'm a mess. And then I was fine though, of course. Honestly, that's why I think I'm so friggin' weird now and I'm so like hyperactive. And I still have the bump, believe it or not. Like if you guys ever see me in public, ask to feel my head bump and I'll tell you, because like it might not look like I got a bump, but there's a bump right here and it'll forever be there and it's forever a memory. I am definitely running out of highlighter. This highlighter's not working. I watched this like TikTok and they like popped Eos out of the socket, and I always go through highlighter so fast, and I was like, I wonder if my highlighter does that, and it did. So let me look for an old highlighter. Yeah, got to be. Oh, why am I a mess? Bro, this is not funny. Whatever, it's gonna be like, I'm just not gonna do that much highlighter. Whatever. It's fine, I won't be as glowing in the beautiful sunset. Fine, whatever, I'm not mad. Y'all could just see everything on my floor right now. Y'all have a mental breakdown, because that's what I'm having right now. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I went to the bathroom myself and put water in my hair. The bathroom's not in the best condition. And the fan's going off because my sister just took a shower. I don't even know what I was talking about. Why am I such a mess? Oh my god, this comb is not helping. It's not working for me today, loves. I'm trying to do those cute braids. I did them once when I went thrifting, and like I liked it, and like they came out good. But like now it's my hair is just being a fart. Human literal fart. I don't know why I always keep saying fart lately, but just like fart, man. You know. You feel the fart? Feel the fart. And I go through phases. I'm gonna make one of my sister's friends take my pictures today because giving my photographer the day off. JK, I bugged them today to take a picture of me and they said no. They're like, today's my off day, and I was like, bro, but like I wanna look cute today. You know, sometimes you just wanna look cute for yourself because you got no one to look cute for. Yeah, that was one of those days today. Maybe I'll meet a nice drive-in man. No, JK, only couples go to drive-ins. Maybe I'll just break up a couple. Oh, I'm so weird. Are they even enough? This one definitely is not as much hair. Oh my god, this one has like a knot. So difficult. I have to text my sister's friend. I'm gonna make him take my pictures. I don't think he's ever taken pictures with a person before, but hey, he gonna do it for me. Am I right? Yeah, I am. This is so hard. I can't even braid my hair. I'm so bad at hair. I don't know how people are hairdressers. Like, bro, how would you be cutting and dyeing? Oh, I'm about to dive in. Baby girl, just hold your breath. Oh my god, I didn't fart. That wasn't me. I shoot, I swear, I don't fart. Girls don't fart. Yeah, we do the stankiest of farts. Am I right, ladies? You know I'm right. We know, you know. I know you know, you stanky farters. Beans. Musical fruit, more you eat, more you toot. Thank you, California. Thank you. Good night. All right, one side sorted down. I don't know. I literally, when I do my hair, or anything, like my makeup, I just like whip it together, and then we're just gonna have to fix it in the end, you know. I don't really try. It's just you put in some effort and then you just make that effort look a little golden, the little sparklies at the end, and that's all you need to make your face, you know? There's a knot. Oh my god. You think I can just braid in the knot and you won't see it? You see it? Heck no, you can't see the knot. Solid. Bro, yeah, buddy. I grew up on Jersey Shore, and let me just tell you, life lessons learned watching that show. I definitely was a JWoww girl. I thought JWoww was so hot on it. She was so hot. I would definitely date JWoww. But now I love Snooki. Snooki just wait, do these look even? I feel like I need to braid these a little more. Oh, I just ripped out some hair. Snooki just collabed with Lisa Frank. Isn't that crazy? Bro, I'd want to be Snooki's baby with Gianni. Oh my god, remember her, Dina, and the meatballs? Okay, y'all are probably, some of you guys I know are probably like, what is she talking about? What the heck is Jersey Shore? Not that old. But I used to watch it every Thursday night when it was new. And let me just tell you, we learned some good lessons on that show. Like, honestly, I would have loved to be on that show if I was the age and they needed people. Like, you guys like? Should I do my little bang-a-bangs? Oh, this might be a little rough. I should have done this in the beginning. Wait, why did that braid like concave? What the heck? They're like uneven. I think that's fine. That's fine. I don't care that much. I don't want to ruin it. This one's so much longer. I think it matters, girls. It matters. Don't even try to tell me it doesn't matter, because I know it does matter. I'm just gonna like wrap it secretly. There. Okay. Now I need to go find my other pink sock. I'm gonna pause this while I go look. Okay? Okay.
Well, I can't do that in shorts. The shorts are fitting. I'm short. Whatever. Go big, go bestie. With the they messy.
Yeah, but anyways, I threw on these earrings I got from Valfree. I think that's how you say it. I'll tag the Instagram. These necklaces, I think I just like thrifted. I don't know. I don't really know. And like, I don't want to show my floor really, but I have these pink socks. They have dinos that say going hunting because I got them for Easter. Awkward. But you don't see it because I put them on the other way. And then I got my dogs. And then my kitty case. Don't forget the sunglasses, loves. I'm ready. I came down the stairs to show my whole fit. So this is my whole fit going out. Boop. You're like a little birdie boop. Yes, but thank you all for watching my short little get ready with me fun timeness. Wish me amazing, beautiful Shrek love life while I watch Shrek tonight. Love you all. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you want more get ready with me type videos. I hope you like my outfit. I feel cute in it, so I'm definitely making someone take pictures of me. And yeah. Bye. See you all soon, my loves. Mwah. Let me know if you like my fit too. Boop.